Good evening, friends. You are most welcome to Think Guys channel. Today we are discussing the question and answers of anthropology. Our question is describe Darwinism, focusing on meaning of organic evolution, factors influencing Darwin, observation and deduction of Darwinism, and criticism of Darwinism. Darwinism. Darwin explained the organic evolution in his book Origin of Species by Natural Selection in 1859. Organic evolution involves gradual change in gene frequency which is inherited to next generation or descent with modification. Since environment is ever changing, the organisms bring about changes in themselves in order to adjust to the changing environment. Those who are able to change, they survive and pass on their gene to next generation. As a result, there is change in gene frequency from previous generation to next generation. Factors influencing Darwin. Theory of Uniformitarianism by Charles Lyell, 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 influenced Darwin with regards to the time period required for evolution. Darwin could know that environment has been constantly changing and modifying the inhabitants. Second is ideas of the Wallace on evolutionary biology, tendency of variation to depart from original type. Third is Malthusian essay on population. Darwin got Darwin got real clue to the selection among wild plants and animals when he read this essay. Struggle for existence was derived from this. Industrial revolution in England. Those industries that produce good and cheap goods flourished and other died. From this Darwin reasoned that in order to sum in and evolve, organism must pose favorable variation. Fifth, empirical evidences collected by Darwin during his voyage. Faune of Galapagos Island, turtle and finches had shown great variation. The pampas of Argentina, fossils of extinct animals. Darwin reasoned that species change not only in time but also with geographical distance. Sixth is morphological evidence revealed by Darwin. The hand of man, legs of horse, the paddle of the porpoise, and the wings of the bat were constructed on the same pattern and included same bones in relative position theory. In his book Origin of Species 1859, Darwin presented his theory under five postulates based on three truth and two inference. Two inference. Truth. First is reproductive capacity of animal and plant is very high. Second, population of species remain more or less same for every generation. In inference that Darwin drew from these two truths was that there would be an struggle for existence. Third is variation occur universally. Postulates. Overproduction. Living being have a innate desire. Living being are having a innate desire to reproduce more, but population remains the same due to predation, 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 delicate and low viability, high susceptibility against biotic and abiotic factor, reduction, struggle for existence. Second is struggle for existence, intraspecific struggle, interspecific struggle, example plants and animals, struggle against environment. Third is variation and heredity. Competition among organisms compels them to change according to the condition, so that they can utilize the natural resources and can survive successfully. This creates variation among the organism. Therefore, it is difficult to find out any two similar individuals. Reduction, struggle for existence and variation and heredity together lead to survival of the fittest through natural selection. Survival of the fittest or natural selection. During the struggle for existence, only such individuals can survive who exhibit such variation that are proved to be more beneficial in facing the hardship or the rigors of environment. Origin of species. The adaptations are present and accumulated in the individuals of the species and ultimately lead to the emergence of new species from the old ones. Criticism. Darwinism does not explain the effect of use and disuse or the presence of vestigial organs. Darwin did not differentiate between the role of over specialized organs and the role of specialized organs in different organisms. In his words, over specialized organs are useful to the organism, but this is far from truth. Example, antlers of the Irish breed, tusk of the Jefferson Marmon. Darwinism accounts for the survival of the fittest but not arrival of the fittest. Darwin did not differentiate between the somatic and germinal variances. He considered all variations are heritable, but in fact only germinal variations are inheritable. Individual differences were given primary importance over mutations, which were given secondary importance in evolution by Darwin, but mutation play primary role in evolution. Natural selection does not explain the evolution of terrestrial animals from aquatic ones. Darwinism does not explain the origin of variation. Physical scientists criticize the experiment is needed to support the theory of organic evolution. Thank you very much.